Hello learners, in this video we will discuss about the gender roles. What is the meaning of gender role? A gender role is also known as a sex role, is a social role encompassing a range of behaviors and attitudes that are generally considered acceptable, appropriate or desirable for people based on their actual or perceived sex. It means in gender role we have discussed the sex roles too, the roles of people based on their actual or perceived sex. Gender roles are usually centered on conceptions of femininity and masculinity, although there are exceptions and variations. The specific regarding these gendered exceptions may vary substantially among cultures, while other characteristics may be common throughout a range of cultures. We have already told you that we will not discuss much about the exceptions. We will discuss the generalized case here. According to the World Health Organization, gender roles are socially constructed roles, behaviors and activities and attributes that a given society considers appropriate for men and women. The main or the important part of the gender role is that these are the socially constructed. In 1973, Bloch stated that gender role is a constellation of qualities an individual understands to characterize male and females in his or her culture. These qualities include activities, role relations, social positions, personality characteristics, and a host of abilities and behaviors. There are two types of gender roles in our Indian culture: the masculine, having the qualities attributed to males, feminine, having the qualities attributed to females. What is the nature of gender roles? Gender roles are learned behavior. These roles vary in the social, economic, and political dimensions across culture. Values and norms differ widely from culture to culture. Gender roles have certain universality but are largely culturally determined. Gender roles are affected by a number of factors such as age, class, race, ethnicity, religion, and ideologies, in addition to geographical, economic, and political environment. Roles may be complementary or conflicting. In simple language, we can see that the gender role is a learned behavior we learn through our socially and the cultural behavior or the attitude and the expectation. But these roles always vary according to the social and economic and the political conditions of any culture of any country. It also differs from culture to culture. It has a appeal of universality, but most of the time or mostly it is determined by culturally. Culturally effect it has more. It has more culturally effect. Gender roles are affected by a number of factors. We have already discussed age, class, race, and ethnicity. And what are the factors determining gender roles or the stereotypes? The first one, the personality traits. Women are often expected to be accommodating and emotional, while men are expected to be self-confident and aggressive. Even the women are, if the women are too ambitious, they this the people or the society is not accepting that ambitious woman too. The second factor determining gender role is domestic behavior. Some people expect that the woman will take care of the children, cook and clean the home, while men take care of finance, work other car and do the home repairs. Occupations: some people are quick to assume that teachers and nurses are women and then pilots, doctors and engineers are men. The physical appearance: women are expected to be thin and graceful, while men are expected to be tall and muscular. Men and women are also expected to dress and groom in ways that are stereotypical to their gender, like men wearing pants and short hairstyles, women wearing dress and makeup with long hairs. So these are the characteristic or the nature of gender roles. So in this video we have discussed what is gender role or the what is the meaning of gender role, what are the two types of gender roles and what is the nature of gender roles. Thank you so much.